if you're struggling how to write task 1 for IELTS, it's a video for you. Firstly, what we need to do is to describe for task 1. So for this, we need to know the vocabulary and grammar a little bit deeper. So introduction is really simple. All you have to do is just add some grammar and some lexical resources. For overall, you have to do how many stages it involves, how it starts, and how it ends. For body, we have to go a little bit deeper into details, all right? So let me get started. So diagram, so as you can see, diagram below shows the stages in recycling aluminium drink cans. What we need to do is to write an introduction for this. So I'm gonna do the flowchart, the diagram, let's say. Diagram illustrates how aluminium beverage cans are recycled. Cool. So as you can see, we wrote it. The diagram illustrates how aluminium beverage cans are recycled. So how many words it involves? Thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it involves 9 words. And overall, so this process well involves let's count how many stages. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 9. It involves 9 stages. It involves 9 stages. Starting with collection center, and ending with vending machines where drinks are sold. Well, as you can see, we wrote oral, so I'm about to count how many words it involved. Is it easy? Of course it is. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 words here. We need to write at least one. We need to write again about 130 words. So let's start. To start with, so the process starts with collection of used drink cans in collection centers. From where the used cans are delivered to factories by special vehicles. In the next stage, in the next step, let's say in the next step, in the third step, in the third step, cans are sorted and pressed into some blocks in recycling centers, so in the factory, as we can see, there are a lot of process in the factory where aluminum recycling plant, what kind of process it involves. As we can see, the first of all, they melt down old aluminum. In the factory, it goes through cans, go through for like 1, 2, 3, 4 stages, four steps. The first, they are the first meltdown, then and turned into new aluminum. Then they create aluminium roll. So in the next this stage is followed by the next action, the next step, where new aluminum is transformed into aluminium roll. To create suitable products. Aluminium rolls are used in the next stage, in the next process. Aluminium rolls is used. The aluminium roll is used to produce new cans to contain drinks. So once this all process done, once these stages are accomplished, the cans containing drinks in cans containing beverages in can be delivered to vending machines where customers can purchase, So after that, used cans goes through the same process. Thereafter, used cans witness the same process again. Thank you. As you can see, we wrote this flowchart with a little bit help of grammar and vocabulary, and we tried to add as much different words as possible, and I hope it wasn't difficult for you. And if you have any questions, you can write on the comment sections, and I'll be more than glad to answer. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.